Hi, my name is Jeff Downs. I'm your instructor for Math 126. I wanted to give you a tour of Canvas, our new learning management system. So if you've gone to courses and you've gone to Math 126, that's where we are. We're here now. So here in this page, there's a video here where I just tell you about myself a little bit. And then there's a syllabus review right here. And it's reviewing that syllabus right up there. And then course objectives are found here. Contact information and question responses, how to get a hold of me, my cell number, things like that. And question response time, which is basically 48 hours from the time you ask it. I'll try to answer it within that time frame, excluding weekends and holidays. Homework options, probably an important thing to discuss at this moment. So you have two choices for homework. You can do paper homework or you can do online homework. The paper homework is done on paper. You follow the assignments at the end of each lesson and then you submit it to me as a chapter. You can scan it, make it into a PDF file and upload it in here into Canvas. I'll show you that in just a moment. For online homework, you'll do it in Hawk's Learning System, so you'll have to have access to Hawk's Learning System, and you can get that either by buying the Access bundle with the book, or you can go on to the Hawk's site, hawkslearning.com, and get it there, purchase that with an ebook, whatever you might want to do. And like I said, I like to have the homework sent to me as a PDF if possible. You can mail it to me if you need to, or fax it to me as well. I have a fax number here. So from the home screen, I just want to kind of show you modules is where all the work is done. So you have this module, this is Canvas Student Orientation. This whole thing has a bunch of information about how to navigate and use Canvas. You push this button, it collapses it. So here's module 1 or chapter 1, and notice that there's the section description, and then there's the video and so on. In the video you would have the video that I've put together. It's on YouTube. Transcript of the video, completed lecture notes, blank lecture notes. I also provide links to other videos of the same topic by different sources. Some are Khan Academy, as Patrick JMT does great videos, so I wanted to share that with you. You can either go back to modules, or you can click this button next to get to the next lesson. And just to illustrate here, it'll download these notes. And see how these are completed lesson notes. At the end, here's the homework assignment. Okay. Now let me go back to the modules. At the end of each chapter is the chapter homework. So here's chapter 1 homework. And it's a place where you can upload the homework assignment. And if it doesn't work for you, you can get it to me another way. I prefer it come this way just because I don't want to have to worry about filling out my inbox, or sometimes faxes don't come through very clearly. And if I can go without using a lot of paper, it'd be great. So the other options as far as mailing it to me, make sure you make a photocopy and mailing it to me there. And the quizzes are done here inside of Canvas as well. Here's quiz 1, quiz 2. I give details about what it covers, like from material from those sections. This is the material from those sections. And then after chapter 3, we'll have our midterm. So there's a practice midterm. Midterm information. Here's a practice midterm in PDF form. Here's a practice midterm with a key. And then here's where you'll upload the midterm. So I'll be putting in here a paper midterm, but you can take your midterm and your final exam in Hawk's Learning System if you'd like. You can do it online. Now the benefit of doing the exams online, the midterm and the final, is that you get to retake it and improve your score as much as you'd like during the testing window. But if you take it on paper, you only get one shot, but you can get partial credit. There's no partial credit for the online exams. And I want to point out that the midterm covers material from chapters 1, 2, and 3. And the final covers material from chapters 4 and 5. Okay, this is back to the home page. We have on here online tutoring. So the school has purchased online tutoring, and let me just go in here. There are two different places for online tutoring. One is Smart Thinking, and there's a link to it right here. Go to Help, and there it is, the link for Smart Thinking. I believe we have 7 hours prepaid for you. And then they've also gotten a hold of something called Brain Fuse, and we just found out about this late last week. So once I get more information, I'll share it with you about the Brain Fuse. And then we have free tutoring through Western Nevada College at the Carson campus and the Fallon campus. We tried an experiment last spring about having some students do online tutoring through my classes. Not many students took advantage of that. I'm not sure if we want to try it again or what. I'm talking to the director of the Academic Skills Center for that. So these are just more, I don't want to say generic, but general information about student policies, Canvas student help videos, academic advising, student counseling, technical requirements, disability statement, online math resources. This is links to a couple different sites like Khan Academy, Brightstorm, and Patrick GMT is a guy who does a lot of neat videos. And then Help Me is, hey, you're just stuck. How to get a hold of me to get some help. We'll have weekly meetings, and there's a conference button. At this point, we don't have a way to archive it. I'm going to try to figure something out, but we're supposed to be getting a plug-in that lets me just archive it and people can watch it. You do not have to come to the live meetings at all. They're not required to be there, but you can come, ask questions, and get things answered. That's what it's all about. Okay, well, I hope that answers your questions. If you have any other, feel free to get a hold of me. I do look forward to this semester and trying this new program out. It should be a lot of fun. And good luck.